Standard 5, Term 1, Science. Welcome friends, today we are going to see about energy. Introduction. We need energy to do our daily activities. We get this energy from the food. In science, energy is defined as capacity to do work. Now let us see the different forms of energy. There are different forms of energy like mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy, wind energy and so on. First, mechanical energy. Energy possessed by an object due to its position is called mechanical energy. Mechanical energy can be classified into two: kinetic energy, potential energy. Kinetic energy. Energy possessed by a moving object is known as kinetic energy. It is also known as energy of motion. Examples: moving car, cricket ball bowled by a player, bullet coming out of a gun. Potential energy. Energy possessed by an object which is at rest is known as potential energy. It is also known as stored energy of motion. Examples: object lifted above, stone in the stretched rubber, water in the dam. Uses of mechanical energy. In hydroelectric plants, kinetic energy of water is converted into electrical energy. Wind energy converts kinetic energy of winds into electrical energy. Mechanical energy of the hammer is used to apply a force on a nail. Mechanical energy can bring a moving body to rest and make a body at rest to move. Wind energy. Energy possessed by the wind is known as wind energy. Uses of wind energy. Windmill use wind energy to generate electricity. Ships sail by the power of wind. Sports like windsurfing, sailing, kite surfing use wind energy. Wind energy can be used for pumping water. This is the image of the windmills, sailing ships, etc. Heat energy. When the temperature of a substance is raised, its atoms and molecules begin to vibrate and release a kind of energy. This energy is known as heat energy or thermal energy. This energy flows from a hot substance to a cold substance. These are the examples of heat energy. Uses of heat energy. Heat energy obtained from power station is used to generate electricity. Heat energy obtained from petrol and diesel is used to run vehicles. We cook food with the help of heat. Heat energy renders the food material soft and easy to digest. Hard substances like iron are heated to mold them into different shapes. Heat is used to dry clothes and other wet substances. Light energy. Light is a form of energy which travels in the form of wave. It contains a particle called photon, which are the minute packets of energy. It is the only form of energy visible to human eye. Light does not require any medium to travel. It travels at a speed of 3 lakh kilometers per second. Sunlight takes 8 minutes to reach Earth. This is the image of the light energy. Uses of light energy. We are able to see objects with the help of light energy. Plants use light energy to synthesize their food. With the help of light energy, our skin is able to synthesize vitamin D. Electricity can be produced with the help of light energy. Electrical energy. Things are made up of atoms. Atoms possess particles like protons, electrons and neutrons. Movement of electron in the object causes an energy. This energy is called electric energy. Electric energy is also generated from nuclear power plants, hydroelectric plants and windmills. It is also generated from solar energy. This is the image of the electrical energy. Uses of electric energy. Electric energy is needed for the working of fan, light, television, washing machine, refrigerator, etc. Electric iron box, electric stove and electric water heater work by electrical energy. It is used to run cars and trains. It is used in factories to produce materials. Chemical energy. Chemical energy is stored in substance when atoms join together to form chemical compounds. When two or more chemical substances react with each other, this energy is released. This is the image of the chemical energy. Uses of chemical energy. The food we eat contains chemical energy. Chemical energy in wood provides heat energy which helps us to cook food. Chemical energy in coal is used to generate electricity. Batteries we use in our daily life contain chemical energy. Fuels like petrol and diesel possess chemical energy which is used to run vehicles. Conservation of energy. Energy cannot be created and it cannot be destroyed. Also, it is changed from one form to another form or transferred from one object to another object. Water dam. Water stored in water dams possess potential energy. When water falls down, potential energy of water is converted into kinetic energy. Kinetic energy of water rotates the turbines and electric energy is generated. This image shows how water is transformed into energy. Electrical appliance. Electric energy is used in many domestic appliances such as electric stove, iron box and fan. Electric energy flows into the coil in the devices. As current flows, it heats up the coil. With the help of this heat energy, we do many useful works. Thus electrical energy is converted into heat energy. Electrical energy is converted into mechanical energy in fan, light energy in bulb and sound energy in computer. This is the example of heat energy, light and sound energy. Light energy, mechanical energy. Driving a car, we use fuel in the form of petrol or diesel or gas to run vehicles. When this fuel burns in the engine, chemical energy is converted into heat energy. Burning fuels produce hot gases which pushes the piston in the engine to move the vehicle. Thus, heat energy is converted into mechanical energy. Conservation of energy. This is the example. This picture shows the various energy. First one. Now let us see the book exercise. First one. Choose the correct answers. When diesel is burned, chemical energy is converted into heat energy. Running water possesses kinetic energy. Unit of energy is joule. Which one of the following requires wind energy? Parachute. Cow dung possesses heat energy. Second one. Find out the energy conservation that takes place in the following. Iron box. Chemical energy into heat energy. Electric iron box. Electrical energy into heat energy. Electric fan. Electric energy into mechanical energy. Speaker. Electric energy into sound energy. Generated. Mechanical energy into electric energy. Third one. Find out the form of energy possessed by the following things. First, a rock on the top of a hill. Potential energy. A rolling ball. Kinetic energy. Charcoal. Chemical energy. Waterfalls. Kinetic energy. Battery. Electric energy. Fourth one. Match the following. Electric bell. Sound energy. Water in dam. Potential energy. Solar heater. Solar energy. Windmill. Electrical energy. Torchlight. Light energy. Now let us see the say true or false. An apple falling from a tree is an example for kinetic energy. True. Electrical energy is used to run electric trains. True. Heat energy cannot be produced by friction. False. Potential energy and heat energy are the two forms of mechanical energy. False. The unit of energy is joule. True. Now let us see the question and answers. What is energy? What are the different forms of energy? 3. What are the uses of mechanical energy? Fourth one, state the law of conservation of energy. Fifth one, mention the uses of light energy. One, explain the types of mechanical energy. Second one, explain conservation of energy. Please like my video and subscribe our channel. Thank you, friends.